Hey guys, welcome back to Goals with Gear. My name is Ed, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the ASUS TUF F15 gaming laptop. I was able to get this as kind of a gift to myself for starting my new job, and is something that I've been really wanting for the last couple of years, just to get like a dedicated gaming either PC tower or laptop. And in this particular instance, I chose for the portability aspect of it. So I chose the ASUS brand for, its reliability and its overall reception in the gaming industry. So this is the TUF F15. So before I get into the specs, let's definitely get this cracked open so we can take a look at the module itself. And ASUS boxes are pretty well known for being like pretty decent in terms of opening it up and like the overall display. This one's a little bit more bare bones. I've seen some of the more higher end ones with graphics and displays and callouts for here, but the most important part is the actual laptop itself. So luckily here it is, and its dust cover. This has the paperwork per usual. This side has part of the cord for the power setup, and here is the other part to it itself. I'm creating the cardinal sin of just holding it by the cord, but luckily it's new. Let's get rid of this box and we can take a look at the unit itself. So out of its dust bag, here is the ASUS TUF. So hopefully you guys can see the little insignia that they have. I like that type of stuff because it's a little bit more out of the way, not entirely in your face, but still very, very noticeable if you are anywhere attuned to what the gaming laptop offerings are in terms of brands and selection. So I'm gonna leave this here right on top of the mat, open it up, and let's talk a little bit about the specs. So this is the 15.6 inch display, 144 hertz refresh rate. It has the 12th gen i7 processor along with 16 gigabytes of DDR5 memory, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 graphics card, and a 512 PCIe solid state drive memory capability. So overall, immediately at glance, I understand that the 512 is a little bit anemic. However, my focus point on getting this laptop was to have a good graphics card along with a good processor for some of my other tasks that I want to do with it. So having the 12th gen i7 and the RTX 3070 was more important to me than having a higher capacity solid state drive. And my workaround for that is to have an external solid state drive or hard drive that has a higher capacity that I can just keep with this laptop. So that was my workaround. This is the actual unit itself. Over here, you can see the callouts. It has a 144 hertz adaptive sync IPS level display. It has the mux switch, which you see for a lot of the different brands for the overclocking capability. It's a Type-C fast charging. It has two-way noise cancellation, high performance DDR5 RAM, along with 84 blade arc flow fans and 4 fan outlets. It has the GeForce, like we talked about, the Intel Core i7, high-res audio with Dolby Atmos, which I think is pretty cool. And the overall setup behind this, I think, is pretty cool. So the unit is not super heavy. It's definitely not something that I would worry about, especially with its performance capability. The thickness of it isn't too bad. It has a lot of fan ports. I like the venting capability. The overall just design aspect to this laptop I think is pretty cool. It has a matte black off black finish, kind of metallic but not really. But overall I think it's going to be a nice little setup for me. I'm grateful for being able to finally play games and have a decent refresh rate with decent frames per second. So I'm excited to see what this computer can do. But I just wanted to give you guys a quick opening, unboxing, and rundown of what laptop I was able to get. In the following videos, I'll probably be releasing some about the external hard drive that I grabbed to support it, the cooling fan that I wanted to get. Not that it necessarily needs it, but it's just something that's nice to have for it. So hope you guys liked it. I appreciate all of the support. If you guys can, like and subscribe, give me comments, feedback. Everything's always appreciated. So you guys have a good rest of your day, and I hope you have a good Lunar New Year coming up.